this is to end off our night tonight at Brigade Days 2025. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Hit it all. Let me right to you. Oh, number 313 getting his work done. There's Albert Duke holding up front. Oh, there's a hit right there. Of the number 11. Bourgeois, merciless. Oh, there's a big hit. Look at Bourgeois, he's out of control, man. Oh, he held up, good little boot. Oh! Now looks like Amber Bourgeois is out. When you're not moving, you can't be hit, folks. And look to the lake. Oh, he's a I think Bourgeois has the only rear-wheel drive van here, and I think it's paying off. Look at that maneuvering. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? Oh, here we go. Whoa! Oh, yeah! They were aiming for Bourgeois. He hit the thing. Oh! I heard that radiator go fuck here, folks. Bourgeois swinging her around. Hey! Hey! When I build my minivan demolition derby, it's going to be rear-wheel drive. I'm telling you. He's setting up. No, he's got no reverse. Oh, he just up into the corner. He has no reverse. That's okay. Now he also can only steer right, clearly. Doink. Doink. That Bourgeois was over there. Number 250. But Ryder, oh, he's got reverse now. He just steering. Oh, hit. Ray 13 is down. Albert Dukes is down. Number 0, Amber Bourgeois is down. We still got 250. Ryder Vandenbrink out there. We still got Bourgeois. Bourgeois had this thing rail to rail, folks. And he's not done yet. He sees Vandenbrink. He sees him coming. He's like, ah, yeah, gotcha, gotcha. Vandenbrink's in trouble, folks! Bourgeois is gonna finish him off! He's gonna finish him off! Vandenbrink's still running. No, he's not.